Guy, my name is Linus and welcome to my channel where we create videos that teach you how to make money online and also assist you to upscale your online business. If you are new here, I say welcome and I urge you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and more importantly, please turn off the bell notification so that each time I upload new videos, YouTube is going to notify you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you for being consistent in watching my video. And I beg you, please like this video and also share it among your friends and family members. Now, one thing we do in this particular channel is that I always try out new things. And when those things work, I quickly come to this channel to share it. That's why I always encourage people to turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube, so that you're going to follow the same method I discuss in each video and be probably the first person that will start earning the same amount of money that I've made. So in today's video, I have a very good news for you. I'm going to teach you a new method that is going to make you make thousands of dollars online. So that is, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money uploading photos on a website known as Clickasnap. Clickasnap is a photo uploading platform that allows photographers and others who are actually not photographers, because it must not be a photographer before you'll be able to use this particular platform. There are so many other sources that you are going to get your photograph. The major thing here is that Clickasnap pays people that upload their photos on their website each time those photos are being viewed by their online viewers. Now, one good thing about this particular platform is that you can have so many means through which you can get photos and upload on that particular site. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in that platform. I'm going to teach you how you are going to get video concepts that people will actually like. I'm also going to teach you different methods and ways that you are going to generate these pictures and start uploading them on the website. So all I urge you is this: do not just watch this video halfway, stop it and start implementing. Watch from the beginning to the end, step by step guideline. Make sure that after watching, you rewatch it before you start implementing everything I'm going to teach you here today. So if you're ready for us to have this free ride, join me on my laptop screen. Website. Now, if you go down here, you see these are the kind of pictures that people are displaying on the site. These kind of pictures, and all these pictures have different names. Now, if you come down here on how it works, it says upload your photos. Once you have signed up, simply use our easy upload system to add your images to our photos sharing platform and start earning money immediately. Then users view your photos. See, your photos are displayed to others that visit Clickasnap. When your photos are viewed, you make money, then get paid for your photos. Once your payment reaches $15, just a small money, $15, you can request to withdraw the money. Payments are made through PayPal for your security. Now, all these things, since we have all these things, so let's just start with the sign up process. Now, you come here, you click sign up. So I've already signed up, but I'm going to walk you through how the sign up process looks like. Now, for instance, you choose a particular username that you like. Let me choose a new username. Now we have, then let's use an email address. Just trying to register a new account so that all of us will be able to understand how the whole process is all about. Now I will now click join. Now this is how the thing looks like. Now if you join newly, you have about 4 plans that you can use. Since I'm talking about everything free, so we're going to use free platform. You have free subscription here. Then this free subscription gives you, each time a person views your photo, you are paid 0.1 cent. Then you have 20 uploads per day. But if you subscribe to $3 per month, you have 0.7 cents and you have unlimited uploads. Then if you subscribe to $5 per month, you have 0.8 cents per view. Then you have unlimited uploads, sell photos as products, offer free digital downloads. Then for Pro, that's $7 per month, you have 0.9 cents per view. You upload and sell other you upload plus seller features. Then photos featured on front page and marketplace, unlimited cloud storage. Then this for month, then you can just change it to a year. Since we're selecting free plan, let's go with it. Then we click select. So when you click the select plan, then you choose a name that you want to be displayed on this particular platform. I can also use the same username I have here. Let's see. Then this is, now you can just decorate this the way you like. You can add your profile picture. We're not going to go into that, avoid this video being much. Add your profile picture here. You also choose your header here. Then you also describe yourself, how you want to be noted in this particular place. All these things can easily be done. You can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to describe a biography or a bio of a photographer who wants to make money on Clickasnap. Then you get that. Then this one is only for German people. Then this one is not compulsory. Then when you finish, you can click update account. Then you've already updated your account. Then the next thing you have to do, for us to go to the business of the day, you click upload a photo. This is where we are very much concerned about. I told us before in my intro that I will show us different ways through which we can get photos. Now, one of those ways, we have number 1. You can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to describe the kind of photos. You can come here, click new, then tell ChatGPT to describe, and as an experienced photographer who knows much about Clickasnap, help me come up with 10 photo ideas that people would be interested to view. You enter it, then let's see the kind of photo ideas that ChatGPT is going to give us. Now, these 10 photo ideas are what people are likely searching for on Clickasnap. So what you have to do now is this. Like I said, I'm going to teach us at least about 3 ways through which you can get photograph to upload on Clickasnap. The first method is using an AI. The first AI you're going to use is ChatGPT, and another one is Leonardo AI. And since ChatGPT has given us a kind of photo idea that people will be interested in, what you have to do is this. Now copy this. Let's modify it and go to another. Let's modify it. Then what we have here is serene beauty of a countryside, dramatic mountains, or a tranquil scene. So now let's put this. Let's do this as a kind of prompt, so that the second AI is going to help us generate it. Then we have generate breathtaking landscapes, whether it is the same beauty of a countryside, a dramatic mountain. So we'll now put this into a place I'll be able to generate a prompt that will give to the second AI for it to generate a photo for us. Now I have here generate breathtaking landscape, whether it is the scene beauty of a countryside, dramatic mountains, or a tranquil beach scene. Okay, let's put a particular country, probably maybe in the United Kingdom. Now let's take this prompt now to the second website that is going to generate this picture for us. Let's go over to AI this and see what it's going to give to us. Image is going to generate an image for us. Then we'll download these images. We'll select out of these 3 images that are about to generate now. We'll select the ones we like and possibly upload them on Clickasnap. Okay, these are the kind of images we have here now. Okay, this is one of the images, this is another image, this is another image. Then what we have to do is let's download this image now. Download the image very quickly. Put it on that website if we wish, but if we don't wish, we can leave it like this. Now we already have this image. What we can do now is to get back to Clickasnap website. Now if you want to do this image, now there's one thing I want you to understand about this Clickasnap. This Clickasnap is a search engine, so to say, is a search engine. So you must make sure that whatever thing you are writing here is going to be something that people will actually search for. This is going to increase your revenue generation. Now, if you go back to this, now let's give this landscape, a breathtaking landscape. We can from here we'll be able to give this our image a name. You copy this, go back, put it as a description. Put it as a description here. Then you come here. You can write this place landscapes of serene beauty of UK. Then tags, like I said, you now have UK, you have landscapes, you have mountains, have riverside. These are possible tags. Then you come back here, whatever your picture is talking about, that is what we're going to select as your category. Like my own, I have a landscape. I'm going to select landscape as my own category. Then you click upload. When you click upload, you allow it to come to the Clickasnap platform where people can always view it. There's one unique thing about this particular Clickasnap upload. Once you upload any of your pictures, it might likely bring you the pictures that may have the same thing with, other pictures that people have put in here. Okay, like I said, the related image. You see related image here. See related image. This thing can actually bring you some related image. That is images that people have actually uploaded on this particular website. Now, okay, see, these are related images. These are related images to this particular one. Now let's check one of these images and see. Okay, this person has gotten 4 views. This person has gotten 4 views. Now, what can increase your views are nothing but the kind of keywords that you use. Because anytime you want to put all these things, both the description, the tag, everything, think of keyword that people might be searching for. And also, some other thing that can help you to increase your view is by sharing these pictures on your social media platforms, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also share it with your friends on WhatsApp and the rest of them. And this is the first way that you can get photograph. The second way you can get photograph is going to any of these freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, engage people that are photographers. You can get photographers from third world countries like India, people that are not going to charge you much. Tell them the kind of pictures you want. If it is serene environment, you talk to them, pay them, they'll get pictures for you. Now, the third place that you can get pictures for this is by going over to pexels.com. Select some pictures that are free to use, edit them, and start uploading. Like these ones are just wildlife pictures. You see all of them. You can download this free one. Please, this one that have sponsored photos, do not near them. Do not near them. They have copyright. You can only go to those ones that do not have copyright. Then anyone you download, try as much as possible to give you the right tag. Describe it the way that people can actually search for it. By doing so, you'll be able to earn money whenever people view your photos on Clickasnap. This is the way that you can use to earn money by uploading pictures on Clickasnap. Try this thing. Since you know that the free account can allow you to have about 20 uploads per day. If you can do this thing consistently on a daily basis, every day you upload 20 photos, every you upload 20 photos of different sizes, there's no way people cannot start noticing you that this person, yes, knows what he's doing. If you use this 3 methods that I've told you, the first one, you can generate photos by describing, by giving a prompt to an AI, that is a Leonardo AI. You can get pictures from there. I've described one. You can get other ones, like if you go to this ChatGPT has given us about 10 photo ideas that you can get. All is left for you to get this command, get this prompt from ChatGPT, send it to AI image, as to Leonardo AI, that can generate this image for you, or you just give this thing out to photographers on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, such as Fiverr, and the rest of them, or you go over to Pexels or even Pixabay, start downloading pictures that are free to use, make them better, and start uploading them on this platform, on Clickasnap. Please, while you're watching this video, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that anytime videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you. Please, if you have not subscribed, go down, subscribe. And if you have anything, please go to the comment section and put it there. If you have any question, anything at all, go to the comment section and put it there. I will always be there to respond to each and every one of you. Please, if you have gotten value from today's video, please, like I said, give us a thumbs up.